Hey guys, how's it going? How to delete group text on iPhone. So one of the ways to delete a group text, you can just go ahead, let me just open up the messages, all right? Let's say for example, you have your own group and whatever. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just enter that group basically, and you're gonna see all of the conversation and everything. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to click their name at the top, and basically you're gonna be able to see the settings, and from there you're gonna be able to see an option called leave this conversation. So unfortunately, because I don't have a group, you won't be able to see it, but I demonstrated how it's done. Go ahead to the group, click the title of the group at the top, and basically you're gonna be able to see an option in the red called leave this conversation. That's one way to delete a group text. The other way, and I'm about to show you, you could just go ahead and swipe left right here, and you're gonna be able to see a delete option, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead right here into delete, and you're gonna be able to delete that group text. And if you want to see your deleted text, what you're gonna be able to see, you're gonna see edit button at the top left. Go ahead and click recently deleted, right? And you're gonna be able to see all of the messages that you deleted onto your iMessage, and you're gonna be able to keep it for 30 days, and afterwards they will be deleted immediately. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.